Edge. Today, we're delving into the world of HIV cure strategies, exploring the remarkable repair and replace approach that's pushing the boundaries of medical science. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. The repair and replace strategy has shown groundbreaking success in curing HIV for a few individuals. It involves replacing the body's HIV-infected reservoir cells with new ones resistant to the virus, often through stem cell transplants. Gene therapy, a promising avenue, aims to either remove HIV DNA from reservoir cells, modify stem cells to resist HIV, or prompt cells to produce inhibitors. Early successes were witnessed as early as 2011 with DNA snipping and stem cell modifications in 2013. CRISPR, a game changer in genetic engineering, initially showed promise in removing HIV genes from human T cells. Yet challenges arose as the virus rapidly mutated, evading detection and potentially enhancing resistance. To improve cell editing, vectors, non-HIV related virus shells, were introduced as a delivery mechanism for CRISPR. In trials on monkeys, this approach appeared successful in clearing viral DNA, but human trials showed limited efficacy. Studies using multiple CRISPR probes showed promise in blocking HIV production. However, challenges persist, requiring a combination of probes akin to drug combination in current HIV treatments. While gene editing technology like CRISPR holds promise, concerns about off-target effects and the reassembly of viral DNA pose significant challenges, emphasizing the need for extensive safety assessment. Recent studies in 2019 and 2023 explored alternative gene editing tools like zinc finger nucleases, also called ZFN, to alter stem cells, showing promising delays in HIV reappearance and shrinkage of reservoirs. Gene therapy, although a beacon of hope, has faced controversy, exemplified by a notorious case in 2018. Despite this, similar techniques have successfully treated various conditions, showcasing immense potential. The road to using gene editing technology as a cure for HIV presents hurdles, yet it mirrors successes in treating other conditions. However, its current limitations, expenses, and ethical consideration remain essential in its application for widespread HIV treatment. Stay tuned for Actual Edge for more updates on the evolving landscape of medical breakthroughs. Remember, while gene therapy offers a glimpse of hope, its journey towards a viable HIV cure requires careful consideration and further research. If you have any questions, remember that we are live streaming at least once per week. And don't forget to check out our past live stream to check if your question was already asked. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next video.